Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Apple Pay not adding your card. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your iPhone settings, scroll down to General, then go down to Language and Region. You need to make sure your iPhone's region is set correctly. When you go and tap on it, your iPhone will be restarted. Go back to the wallet app and see if you can add a card. If you still cannot do that, simply restart your iPhone by pressing the increase volume button, then the decrease volume button, and then you just hold the power button until you see the logo. Other way is going and checking the status of Apple Pay. To do that, open up Safari and search for Apple Pay status. And then tap on System Status. So here is Apple Paying Wallet. Sometimes down here there is a current issue with Apple Card. Another thing you should try adding another card because it may be an issue with your card. Or try getting in contact with that card provider and seeing if there's a reason why you cannot add it to Apple Pay. So I hope you did find this video useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!